Hey P2, I am very sorry that I cannot be here for your Zoom class this morning. I have to take Dustin to see a doctor for his checkup. So yeah, I hope you watch this video and study with Miss. And if you're done, I want you to go out and give a thumbs up on the post. Okay, and that will be your attendance. Once again, after you're done studying, don't forget to give a thumb up on the post, and that will be your attendance. Okay, so today we're gonna continue what we have learned last Wednesday. Last Wednesday we started chapter 5, which is length. Okay, we learned about length. We also learned different tools that we use to measure. There are many different rulers, right? There are wooden rulers, there are plastic rulers, there also a ruler that can roll to measure the field or the road. Okay, and also we learned about unit measurement. Unit measurement that we are learning are meters and centimeters. Meters, a meter ruler or metric ruler, okay, we use that ruler to measure something that is big. For example, the height of a tree, the length of your house. Okay, remember, meter ruler or metric ruler is used to measure something that is big. Now, if you want to measure objects that are smaller, for example, like your pencil, paper clip, your book, a scissor, okay, you're going to use a smaller ruler that we call centimeter ruler. These are the ruler that you have at home. Okay, the one that made from metal, from rubber, from plastic, or from wooden. So now, let's take a look on page number 123. Okay, we're going to learn measuring length in centimeter. Okay, this is your unit measurement, centimeter. And we're going to use the ruler that you have at home. Now, remember last time I asked, go check your ruler. Do you have the word cm on your ruler? That will indicate, that will tells you that will be a centimeter ruler. Okay, if you don't have it, that's okay. Sometimes they just don't do it because they assume, they figure that you understand this is a small ruler that will be a centimeter ruler. Okay, now let's take a look over here. On this centimeter ruler, it has number. Is that from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. It depends on how long is your ruler, okay? Now, if you want to measure something, if you want to measure an object, okay, you need to place that object starting in the 0 baseline over here. You need to start from 0. You cannot put it over here on 4. No, you have to start from 0, okay? Now, let's take a look over here. The centimeter, it's another common unit of length. Okay, so centimeter, it's a unit measurement. So, for example, if I ask you to measure this eraser, you cannot just tell me, oh, miss, the eraser, it's 7. I'm going to ask you, what kind of 7? Is it 7 apples? 7 meters? 7 centimeters? So, it's not complete. It will make you confused. So when you want to report about the length of an eraser, you have to say, Miss, the length of the eraser is 7 centimeter long. That way I understand, oh, this is 7 centimeter. Okay? You use a centimeter ruler. Okay? So don't forget to mention the unit measurement. Now, let's take a look over here. Let's take a look at what the robot has to say. The width of your fingernail, just like that, it's about 1 centimeter. This is something fun for you to check. So if you have a ruler, go ahead and get it out and then try to measure the width of your fingernail. Now be careful with the word about. About means it's not the same. So it can be a little bit less or a little bit more, but it's not the same. Okay? So yeah, you can try to do that one. Now, we can write cm for centimeter. Okay, we read 1 cm or 1 centimeter. Again, so what does that mean? It means when you write, if I ask you, the length of the eraser is, don't just put 7. Oh, that's a big one. Don't put 7, okay? Don't just put 7 like this. You need to remember to put the unit measurement. 7 centimeter or 7 cm. You can tell Miss Danny, oh Miss, the eraser is 7 cm. That's okay, or 7 centimeter. Okay? Okay. Okay, so that's it. So this is just, okay, a quick topic. It's not very hard, but it requires your attention. Remember, okay, we are learning 2 different units of measurement in length. The first one will be centimeter, and the longer one will be meter ruler, okay? Or yeah, meter. Now, remember, the meter ruler, it's used to measure a bigger object. And centimeter ruler, it's used to measure something small, something that usually within your reach. A book, a pencil, a glass, okay? Something smaller. Okay, and then remember, when you measure, you need to start from the 0 point over here. Okay, start from the 0 point. You cannot start from 4. Oh, Miss, I think I like to start from 10, so I'm going to start. No, cannot. Okay, you need to start from 0 line over here. And then something fun. Okay, you can try to measure the width of your fingernail. It's about 1 centimeter. Okay. Okay, so now let's continue with the next page. Everybody, you can open to page number 124. 124. Number 2. Let's look at how these objects are measured with a ruler. It's easier to read the measurement when we start measuring from the 0 mark or 0 point. Remember, look, you need to start from the 0 mark or 0 point. Same thing, okay? So you need to start from 0 and then look. So this is where you start 0 and then, okay, I'm going to take a pencil out over here. So you start from 0. This is one end, okay, on the left. And then look over here. This is the other end. So how long, if I ask you a question, how long is the paper clip? And then what is your answer? The paper clip is, 3 centimeter long, or you can just say, I'm gonna write it over here. Oh, this is not zoom. I'm sorry, I forgot. I thought I can annotate. Okay, so the paper clip is gonna take a while to write. The paper clip is 3, okay, cm. Yeah, you can say it like that. Okay, 3 cm. Now, how about the eraser? Again, remember, when you want to measure something, always start from the 0 mark or 0 point. Always start from the 0, okay? Look over here. Oops, I cannot draw nicely. Look, always start from the 0 point, the 0 mark. Okay? So the eraser will be 5 centimeter long, like this one. And how about the scissor? 11 centimeter long. And then how about the pencil? The pencil is 14 centimeter long. Okay? How about that? Is it hard? I hope it's not. Okay? So let's play a little game. We're gonna measuring some objects over here. Okay? So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna measure this object using the ruler that is provided. Use the ruler to measure the length of item. I'm going to write it over here. Red clip. So this is the red clip. Again, I'm going to pick it up like this. I'm going to start from 0. Okay, I'm going to put it like this. Except this one is kind of hard. And then look over here. So 0. And then what do you think? What is the length of this? If you answer 5, you answer, let's just put it 5. Okay, I think it's 5. We're going to check it at the end. Okay. How about the giant paper clip? I'm going to take the giant paper clip. Oops. I put it on 0 point or 0 mark. Okay, all the way here. What is the length of the paper clip? 7. Okay. Next, blue paper clip. I'm gonna take the blue one. I'm gonna put the yellow one out and then blue one here. Look, I always start from 0. What is the length of the blue paper clip? It's 5 centimeters. Now I'm gonna take the pencil. Okay, this is a pencil. Now, what is the length of the pencil? Look, this is start from 0 and all the way here. It's 9 centimeters. Okay, how about the black pen? Okay, the black pen, look over here. I'm going to start from 0 all the way here. What is the length? From 0 all the way to 14. Okay, and then what is the next one? Eraser. I'm going to take the eraser. Okay, what is the length of the eraser? Always start from 0. It's 4. Okay, and then how about the pencil sharpener? This is the sharpener. Look, 0 until 2, so that's 2 centimeters. And then the blue clip. I'm gonna take the blue clip. I'm gonna put it over here. Look, what is the length? Also 2. Okay, not 12, 2. Okay, I think I'm gonna check the red one. Can the red one move like this or not? Cannot. Okay, so I think we are good. Let's go check. All correct. Okay, so what do you see what I did? When I want to measure something, I always put that object starting on the 0 mark or 0 point. Okay, yeah.